What is going on, y'all? It's your boy Thungy. We are back with another video. I didn't have a hat to actually match the sweater, so I said, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna go rock out with just a neutral ass Yankee fitted, call it a day. But no, I want to talk about this because a lot of people were asking me if I was gonna do a video on this situation. You know, the whole Cash making a video saying, yo, we here, and then all of a sudden Lsk, he's like, yo, where we at? We in Phoenix, right? We in Phoenix. And then, you know, everybody's like, oh, what the hell? Y'all playing this? When you hear people acting like people plotting shit, like you're acting like it's a fucking hit. You're acting like niggas about to get jumped. No, it's fucking basketball, and it's called making videos to get views and entertainment. People were acting like dudes is about to sun other dudes. Yo, some of y'all acting like real females, acting like this is, it does look like a reality show. Don't get me wrong, and I'm covering it. I'm reacting to it all. Because for me, I'm looking for the views, I'm looking for the attention, and I'm looking also for dope ass feedback in the comment section where if I do make people laugh and some people fuck with what I say and some people disagree with what I say. That's what I'm here for. But when I see certain comments on my videos or your rages or LSKs or whoever videos, and you can just tell the tone, the language, just how they exercise their feelings towards the situation, I'm like, yo, these are dudes that are too invested to the point where I feel like they don't even wipe their own ass at night. Like, yo, go wipe your ass and clean your ass and go to sleep, dog, and then wake up the next day and start your day over because you sound a little bit too invested. Now look, I'm gonna break down this whole shit because it seems like some people got memory loss problems, like memory problems where they don't remember how shit really started. Now, from what I remember, Lsk did pull something funny where I think he knew he was gonna be busy and he still told Sol like, yeah, I'll play you, blah blah blah, and I guess he was exposed. There was some messages shown that he knew he wasn't gonna be there or show up. But we also got to remember, didn't Sol agree to like a 1v1 whatever, and then all of a sudden while everybody showed up to the location to play basketball, even Kobe and I forgot who else, Kobe's a content creator, he drove out mad far just to watch the play. Everybody's like, yo, where's Solluminati? Because Sol agreed, he agreed to play them. All of a sudden he uploads a video from his home saying, yeah, I didn't show up. Y'all forgot when that happened. He didn't let them know in advance. He uploaded a fucking video and they had to see that shit like a day later. And Sol made a follow-up video saying, yo, my bad, y'all. Now I feel bad, this and that. I promise I'm gonna just bring out bangers. Y'all forgot that happened? So the fact that people are like, oh, Cash and Lsk are plotting. Oh, they didn't let them know in advance. Oh my God, you guys are fucking mean. I'm thinking to myself like, are y'all gay? Like, what's wrong with y'all? Is y'all serious right now? Y'all forgetting that originally Sol was the one mouthing like crazy trying to get this 1v1 popping? And when it didn't happen the first time, the second time, this one here, I admit this situation here is extremely bad timing on both sides, because from what Lsk said, he got hit up last minute for a shoot. He agreed. He also told him, listen, since it's in Arizona, can you please book me the last flight to come home so I can have enough time to play Sol, which is crazy because unfortunately Sol bought a house at that time. So yeah, he may be busy. I understand that and I respect that too. That's a boss move right there. You know, you're young when you get a crib. A lot of people are doing that and it's extremely, you have to have a lot of responsibility for that. So I respect him for that, but it's bad timing. So yeah, this happened around this time. I don't think they planned it to do it at this time that he was moving. That's stupid as fuck. That's dumb as fuck. What I also believe might have happened is I feel like Cash was probably given that opportunity because he showed up out of nowhere and he might have told whoever it was like, yo, can you guys get Lsk to come too? Look, he has 1 million or so followers or subscribers. He can also be good for the promotion. I feel like that's how Lsk might have got involved. That's what I believe. Maybe that is true or maybe it's not. I don't know and I don't care. But overall, it's just bad timing. When I see comments, like I have to say this dude in my comment section was weird as hell. He was like, dude, you don't understand how it is. Do you know how it works moving in Arizona? Like as if in one area or one place in the world, it's fucking difficult. Boy, everywhere it could take weeks. Cause he was like, you know how it is to move in Arizona? It could take a week, bro, to transfer bills and shit. I'm like, nigga, what? Did you just invest all your time in it? Did you look this shit up? Like, did you really just Google that shit? It could be like that anywhere. New York, shit, Chicago. It could be like that in fucking California. It could be like that anywhere. When you move, there's a process. It could take weeks, days, months. It could take a year or two. This shit happens anyway. So when I hear these excuses, I'm like, yo, y'all making it look even worse on Solluminati when he really probably just as innocent as fuck because he's been busy. So I'm like, yo, these dudes in the comments need to shut the fuck up. Y'all looking really goofy right now, personally. Like, thing is, Sol actually might be busy this time, but it's almost like the boy who cried wolf type shit. Sol was mouthing all this time, and this time that he's really busy, these dudes in the comment section making him look bad, because the way they defend him is so disgusting. All you gotta say is that, yo, my nigga, y'all hit him up last minute, that's on y'all. No, people aren't saying that. People are like, oh my God, you guys didn't let him know in advance. Oh my God, you guys should have let him know so you guys could book the appointment. Oh my God. I'm like, what, nigga? You a grown ass man. Did you really just like invest that type of energy and emotion? Like, nah, man, nah. Look, I react to their shit. I make videos on their shit because I'm trying to cook. I'm trying to get these views. I'm trying to get you guys to laugh at the videos. I'm trying to entertain you guys. And most of you guys know that already. But when I see some of the energy being put out here, I'm like, yo, I don't need that shit my way, dog. That shit kind of weird to me. It's just weird. It's just weird, dog. I don't know. You guys can let me know what you think really happened. I believe it was probably Cash that was given this opportunity for a shoot or whatever it is, for a content creator shoot, whatever. And he might have said, yo, can LSK come? LSK probably hit us up, well, made the video saying, look, I was told last minute, you know, and that's probably how it really happened. So that's what I think happened. If not, you guys could correct me in the comment section. That's fine. But please, man, that whole choosing side, I'm not choosing sides on this one. This was badass timing. And to say that they were plotting and planning shit, come on, man, I don't want to hear this shit. And even if they did, it's called shock value and it's called for the fucking views. They know they're gonna get the views. Some people really think that they're delusional and bugged out in their head that they're doing this shit because they truly believe it. Nah, man, nah. Some of you guys are weird, man. Relax. It's all for shock value and views. I don't know how many times I have to say it. Shock value and views. Saying the word excuse in LSK's video was going to get him a lot of attention because he was going to get a lot of you guys out there to say, oh my God, it wasn't an excuse. It wasn't an excuse. So he wins at the end of the day. But Solluminati definitely wins too because he bought his house. I got a lot of respect for that, man. So shout out to homie because I think he's young, bro. So it's a big responsibility. But you look, that's all I got to say. That's how I feel about the situation. It's bad timing. Overall, bad timing. You guys can comment below. It's your boy 3MG. Subscribe if you are new, and I'm out of here. God bless everyone. Peace.
I told you, the weather's cold, we're getting older. Things even change when it gets colder. But we'll move on just like I'm always. I know you miss the sun and sky.